Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean out of my fridge with me while the kids are napping, so I'm going to try and get this done pretty quickly before they wake up. Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for this declutter, organize with me, clean out my fridge and my pantry. There's a lot of stuff we had to get rid of that was expired or old or stale. All the non-perishables I'm donating, of things that we just weren't going to eat. So I've got to take that stuff. The rest of it goes down to the dumpster, and yeah, I'm gonna start on lunch back there. I'm gonna make some tacos and record that for a cook with me that I'm gonna put out tomorrow. So maybe tonight. I might put this out this morning. Yeah, it's only 11, so I might put this out this morning and then tonight put out a cook with me, since this is gonna be pretty short anyway. So I'm gonna get these kids taken care of and fed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.